so Monstera it is. So we have 15 minutes to draw it. Also, same with your planners and your oh yeah, what I'm saying. Same as we did before with the stickers. Like obviously we are gonna make just like the plant or the coffee mug, so you can convert that exactly the same, just removing the background as a sticker for your planning or for anything that you would like, okay? So everyone ready to start? 15 minutes in 3, 2, 1, and go. If you're new here, you will see that here at the top, you can see the timer, which is very good because nobody can stay longer. All right, so for painting the Monstera, I'm gonna go for the 6B pencil now the whole time. Because we have 15 minutes, that honestly is not that much. I'm gonna go straight away to creating the plant pot. That it is absolutely massive, the one that I've made, but that's okay because I'm gonna make it smaller in a minute. And do you remember, guys, what I told you about the canvas, the drawing guide, the symmetry? I always put it there because it just helped me to make things a little more organized. So let's do Monstera. Sorry, Anita, next time, if you join next Sunday, we can do if you want the coffee mug. Like normally we are like swapping every Sunday and with different ones. So basically for the, I created just like one layer with the pot, and now I'm creating a different layer and I'm gonna move it underneath for just the sand, okay? I think not that long ago, actually in the first stream, I was drawing a Monstera as well. Do you remember, anyone remember? If you were here? Also, okay, I have my pot. That is not great, but that's fine because we have 15 minutes, so we don't have like that much time to just mess around. I'm gonna start with the Monstera plant, and for the leaves, one of the things that I found more useful, okay? I'm gonna, look, my layer to do the plant is gonna be in between the pot and the sand, so it look in the middle. But to create the Monstera leaves, the shape that it reminds me the most, they're like hearts. So I'm gonna just make some hearts, okay, like a sketch with hearts. So place them. And then I will just give color later. And because I like a little bit bigger, I'm gonna make it bigger and put it here at the top. That's the way that I draw. I just like do the sketch and then, oh gosh, why can't you cannot see what I'm doing? Oh, sorry guys, 1 second, there we go. I don't know what was happened. I guess what you do. I know, sometimes it's weird because I have to have my window with my iPad in front of the streamer and it's very upsetting. But you can see now, basically, you see I've done the hearts here and it's just the sketch. And I'm using now 6B pencil, okay? For the sketch. I'm gonna just see like where the stems are gonna be, and I'm gonna start now coloring in, okay? Hello, TVB. Oh my goodness, I'm terrible at saying this. I'm gonna call you like, can I call you Ceci? How are you today? Thank you for joining the stream. We're making a drawing challenge, okay? Where we have to draw, everybody have to draw this Monstera plant in 15 minutes. And we have the reference photo that everyone have to use. And then at the end, we will share what we have done in the, what we have done, and we can see what is everyone up to. So if you want to participate, you still might have time and you don't need to draw in the iPad, you can draw anywhere. So you see guys, I'm drawing the Monstera plant in different layers, the leaves. You see? 2 in 1, then another one in another layer, and they're literally hard. I will just like change them later, but that's the way I'm doing it now. This is fine. Oh, so it's a challenge, exactly. We do like normally in the streams like challenges, but today's slightly different because it is like a combined like a challenge with Kraftora, which is a digital platform that is absolutely amazing. Oh, thank you for following, Taita. And we have like doing as well, we have done a tutorial about how to do stickers, but now because it's like nearly the end of the stream, we're doing a quick art challenge. Are you an artist or do you like to draw? Tell us a little bit about yourself if you want. Okay, so guys, look, I have my plants, and now I'm gonna start adding some depth to it, okay? But for the depth, I'm gonna select Alpha Look, and you can use any brush from the artistic brushes, but I'm gonna use some of my oil pastel brushes, the basic one, to add some of depth. And I'm gonna add this, like a darker color, just in between the middle. Oh no, we don't wing anything. It's just like for the fun of just like drawing. Like Ceci, we just it's just for challenge ourselves, like, and see if we can do it in the amount of time given. But also today as well, if you want, because today it was slightly different, and because we were Kraftora and I were doing the stream like together as well, we have given some Procreate brushes for free that you can like download it from my website or from the Kraftora Discord server. It's really into it, but I like watching you talking. Oh, thank you. Okay, in that case, just like watch and enjoy it. You will see at the end what everyone has done it. You can see the timer of how much time do we have left. Oh, I'm gonna say something like Ceci, like here, you don't have to be an artist to participate, just like to enjoy it. It doesn't really matter if you are not very good at drawing. It's not about that. It's just about having fun. Okay, so guys, what I do with the Monstera plant to give in the holes, okay, you can just delete it. But sometimes that I do, in case I mess it up, it is I create a mask layer. I'm not sure if everyone has used mask layers before, but basically mask, what it does is like you paint white or black. And what it does, if I use the black, it just deleted the layer that it is underneath. So for example, if I take my secret pencil, take the color black, I'm making sure that I'm drawing in the layer mask, I am just can make the holes, for example, in the Monstera plant, and it's like deleting it. But the good thing is, if for example, imagine that I make a hole in my plants that I don't like, if I go to white, I can go back to the way that it was before, which is very, very helpful, okay? So that is something that you could do. So I'm gonna start doing this with my Monstera plant. I'm gonna go back because that's not what I wanted to do. And I'm gonna do this. With the black, I'm gonna start making the holes. We have all levels in the challenges, definitely. It's not about being good or bad at art, it's just about having fun. Also, I'm gonna start with a lighter color. I'm gonna just like add the stems in between the plant, okay? I'm doing this very, very quickly, honestly. Like, I cannot believe like how much time do we have, but like not that much, like 6 minutes. I'm just like trying to rush. Since I do like Twitch, I've realized I'm not very good at multitasking, you know? I need to learn about how to draw and talk at the same time because I just like get distracted so easily. Also, something that I like with the Monstera plant or like with plant is like the edges to make them slightly like darker. So I'm just like going through the edges to make them a little more dark. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for another leaf, otherwise I'm not gonna have that much time to finish. Is everyone getting alright, or are you focused? And you cannot talk because you're focusing. Oh gosh, like the top of my monstera, it doesn't, I don't know why, it doesn't look just right. Look. I'm focused my about drawing. I'm sure it's not bad, like Roxy Love. I'm sure it's good. And we're trying our best, just like rushing. Obviously, like that amount of time, like we cannot do much. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other like leaves now quickly. I'm already like it would take me an hour to do. Oh, thank you. You're very, very kind. It's actually so hard to draw like very quickly because, especially when you are like have like a style of drawing and you have your own way to do things, it's very hard to rush up and just like to select what you have to stop doing and to just like maybe just not pay that much attention. But it is quite a good challenge. Also, something I realized here with the monstera leaves is just like I'm making the endings very pointy and they're actually not that pointy, but that's okay. Oh, 2 minutes, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. This one, it definitely passed so quickly for me. I didn't even realize. Does anyone feel like it's nearly finished? One minute 20, everybody. Oh gosh, it's taking me so long to do this. I think I'm not gonna have time for the other monstera plant, so I'm gonna focus in the other leaves. So I'm gonna focus in the pot for the last minute just to give it some texture. I might give like in a mixed pattern brushes, just like giving a little bit of a brush. And just like the little sketch. And 37 seconds. Faithfully print. That's what we do. Oh, thank you. We're doing faithfully print. If you we're doing like the art challenge and art challenge. I'm not sure if you have been follow like from the beginning, but we had 20 seconds to finish this monstera plant. We had 15 minutes earlier, and everyone has to draw this reference photo or plant in the time given. And then now, when the time is finished, everyone has to share what they have been up to on what did they have, what time. Oh my goodness, I cannot talk even now. But like what they could do in the time given. And pencil time. Can you time? Yes, like this is amazing. In Twitch, you can add time, which is so good. So everybody, pencils down. Time to finish. That's what I could do in the time. Let me show you. There's my monstera plant. Honestly, like it's a little bit blurry here. I was just like rushing and not thinking, but that's what I got up to, which is fine. Yeah, normally yes. Like today it was like it depends. Like sometimes we do tutorials or we do drawing challenges. But I feel the drawing challenges, they're quite fun and I love to interact with people. So we usually do this like we set up a reference photo and everyone has to give like to draw it. This one it was like a quick one in 15 minutes, but normally it could be like 30 or it depends. Also like normally in the drawing challenges, I set up like normally in my Instagram or it depends. I set up like different ideas and people can vote what they would like to draw. And also I give like tips about how to use Procreate or draw during the challenge. Although this one, it was so quick. Oh, thank you, Roxy Love. So everybody, remember to send me your art. You can send me a DM in Instagram. Do you want to participate in the polls? That is like Marina Parras, like my name here, same as here, and underscore and then art. Also people from Kraftora, if you want to share your art as well in the Kraftora Discord, please share it there. Because Faithfully Print, today it is like a combined the stream with Kraftora shop, and they have like a Discord server, so we are using it as well during the stream. If you want to know more about Kraftora, which is absolutely an amazing platform, just like type the command and you can know more about them. Thank you so much, I'm really enjoying it. You are absolutely amazing, all of you. I hope to see you as well around in Instagram or in Discord, okay? So thank you very much. And also, if you don't want me to share your art in my Instagram, please let me know because I love to share what have you done in my stories. So if by any chance you don't want me to share it, just let me know, drop me a message, a DM in Instagram, and that's absolutely fine as well. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a very nice evening if you are here in Europe, or have a very nice day if you are there in America, okay? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Adios.